Xtra Atto Wearable 4K Action Camera. Stop missing perfect point-of-view moments and ditch your old brick. Ever crested a perfect wave, nailed a hidden line, or watched your kids score the winning goal and realized you started recording 2 seconds too late? I still cringe thinking about the sunset whale breach I missed last year. Pure heartbreak in 4K. Comment the word pain if you've lived that exact sinking feeling. Now, that moment lives only in your head, while everyone else's shaky, grainy clip gets the likes. Your neck aches from heavy cameras, batteries die mid-run, files take forever to transfer, and the footage still looks average. Imagine never feeling that burning regret again, never missing the magic because you were ready before it even happened. Comment never if you're done losing memories. Don't just pick any action camera. Make sure it has true 5-minute pre-recording so you never experience that soul-crushing "I missed it" moment again. That's the Xtra Atto Wearable 4K action camera, the 54-gram miracle I accidentally discovered on a bike trip. You get buttery 4K at 60 frames per second from a massive 1 by 1.3-inch sensor that crushes low light, rock-solid stabilization that kills shake without a gimbal, insane 220-minute runtime that outlasts your longest adventures, 128-gigabyte built-in storage so you're never fumbling cards on a cliff, and 600 megabyte per second transfer that dumps an entire day's footage in minutes. Last month, my buddy wore it on a 6-hour single-track ride. His GoPro died at hour 2, but when that surprise 40-foot drop appeared, the Atto's pre-record caught the whole lead-up. He watched the clip that night shaking, whispering, "That actually happened." That same magic is waiting for you. Keep watching because what's coming next will make you mad you waited this long. Now, picture every ride, hike, or family moment captured in stupidly gorgeous detail without you even thinking about the camera. The Xtra Atto Wearable 4K action camera just disappears on your chest or helmet, 54 grams, and quietly delivers footage your friends swear came from a $2,000 rig. Pro videographer Alex told me on the lift last week, "Bro, I sold my main point-of-view camera. The Atto sensor is actually better in trees and golden hour." A dad I met at the skate park said he cried watching his son's first 360 because the colors and smoothness finally looked real, not that flat, over-sharpened garbage. Some guys worry, yeah, but will it last or feel cheap? Bro, it's built like a tank, survives crashes, rain, sweat, and still transfers faster than anything I've owned. Thousands of writers, creators, and parents are already living in this new reality where nothing gets missed and editing feels like Christmas morning. You're literally watching your competition pull away every day you wait. Which one do you want most tomorrow? 1 equals never missing the moment, 2 equals featherlight all-day comfort, 3 equals pro quality without the pro hassle. Comment your number right now. I'm reading every single one. Join the thousands of writers, creators, and parents who've already made the switch to the Xtra Atto Wearable 4K action camera and never looked back. This isn't just another camera, it's peace of mind in your pocket and the end of footage regret forever. Click the link in the description or pinned comment right now. Grab yours and step into the new reality where every adventure is captured perfectly, automatically, effortlessly. Do it today, and tomorrow you'll thank yourself every time you hit the trail. See you on the other side.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.